Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 15th to the 19th of July 2024 on Monday. The drama at Mxenge Towers takes a very unexpected turn for Nhlumelo. Ntando's personality is still a sore point at the Makwetu household on Tuesday. Msimelo is left devastated after his trip to the hospital. Nhlumelo plans, but Vuyokazi is one step ahead on Wednesday. Zimkhitha navigates emotional highs and lows on Ntando's condition fluctuates. Nhlumelo's request for bail entangles him in a web of secret and betrayal on Thursday. Mxenge elders are losing faith in Nhlumelo as a leader. Ntando regains a consciousness. Funeka shows empathy from Msimelo with regard to Ntando's situation on Friday. Ntando's healthy take a turn for the West. Thulani takes their reins and Vuyokazi chooses the right path against her will. Nhlumelo is denied bail for the second time. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.